got the first jump start job around 2.2 miles away from me. Basically all thing inside the car, and you can see here this the message I send it to the customer, 50 plus VAT. Yeah, right, now I'm heading to the job. Came to the car, I need to contact the customer.
Hello.
Hello, good morning, Charlie here.
Hi there, Charlie.
Hi, yeah, I'm in front of your car.
Okay, brilliant. I'll call my wife and tell her to come outside.
Please.
Stay with me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Right, now time 8:55. We'll see how long job will take. Make sure positive to positive, negative to negative, don't mix up. Power on, and I'm make sure steady. Yeah, and start the car. Yeah, car started. Okay, job done. Right, now before you remove the jump pack, make sure switch off the jump pack. Disconnect negative line. After that, disconnect positive. When you connect the line, you need to do the positive first and negative second. When you remove, do the opposite way. Negative first and positive second. Right. Also, another small tip: if you want to build up good customer service, just talk with the customer. Little bit explain the situation, what's happened, what's going on, why it's happened. You can check the oil level, you can check the coolant, and talk with the customer another 5-10 minutes. Then after that, customer get good understanding about you. Then after that, if they need it for future, definitely you are the first one they choosing, because you gave the good service. Then they trust whatever service they got from you rather than the new mechanic. If you say you can't do it or something, they will find out another person. Otherwise, they always with you. This is my professional experience. Left it 20 minutes running. Switch off the car and we'll see, start the car. Yeah, battery fully dead. We need to do the jump start again. However, I advise to this customer change the battery because this battery fully dead. 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.